In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube short. So if you want to set a custom thumbnail, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple way. First, close the YouTube app and then open CapCut on your phone. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free. Once you're in CapCut, open the YouTube short you want to edit. After the video loads, tap Overlay in the bottom menu. Then select Add Overlay and choose the image you want to use as your thumbnail. Make sure the image is in portrait orientation. After importing the thumbnail, we need to trim the image clip down to 0.1 seconds. So tap the image layer and drag the edges until it's trimmed to 0.1 seconds. This will make the thumbnail appear for just a split second before the actual video begins. It'll all make sense in a moment. Now tap Export in the top right corner. Once the video has been exported, we're ready to upload it to YouTube. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select your short. Tap Next, then tap Next again. Now tap the pencil icon in the top left corner, and you'll be able to choose a frame from your video as the thumbnail. Since we added the thumbnail image at the very start of the clip, you can now select that first frame to use as your custom thumbnail. Once you've chosen it, tap the check mark in the top right, and then press Upload Short to publish it on YouTube. Let me know in the comments if this helped you.